Hi guys, I hope all of you doing well. And as I said, I'm going to analyze a standard model problem which was given on our chemmaster community tab. Okay, now just look at the given problem. The correct IUPAC names of the following structures. Now just look at the given structures. We have given with ring assembles with unbranched cyclic systems. Okay, so first one having three identical cyclopropane rings, and the second one having five cyclobutane identical rings without branches. Okay, right. Now, whenever we are going to give IUPAC nomenclature for those ring assembles, that means unbranched ring assembles with identical ring systems or cyclic systems with three or more than three, we should give prefixes as ter for three identical cyclic systems, and quarter for four identical systems, and quinque for five identical cyclic systems. Okay, now we should give numbering, and that means locant numberings for junctions of those identical rings on given ring assemblies. Here we have two methods. The first one where we should select a parent hydride ring. So I'm just selecting the one here, one, and we should give consecutive numbering on each and every identical ring. So 2 and 3. So after giving numbering to the parent cyclic rings or identical cyclic rings, we should start locants or just numberings from the junctions of each identical ring. Okay, right. So I'm just starting numbering from here 1, 2, and 3. Right? So for the second one, we should start numbering from the junction. So the junction carbon get 1. And just remember that here two possible ways are there for giving locant numberings. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. This is the accurate possible way, and according to basic IUPAC rules, this is the correct way of numbering for the second ring, because the second substituents or second junction should get lower locant number. So it is only possible whenever we give this way of numbering. For example, if we give numbering from here 1, 2, and 3, so the junction carbon, that is another junction carbon, getting number 3 or locant 3. So here the lowest locant should be given for the second junction on that identical cyclopropane ring. Okay, so those are the basic rules of IUPAC. Yeah, and after giving that, so just wait for it, we will make it clear. So here 1, 2, and 3. Now on the third, we should start from this 1, 2, 3. We can give anyway because there will be no change. Okay, right. And after giving numbering or locants on each identical system and at junctions, now just try to take them on first ring. So just write 1 here. That is the first ring. So we should indicate the junction locant number as a superscript. So here 1, we have taken 1. Okay, and just separate with the comma, and we need to look at the second ring. So which is given with 2, and which is connected with the first ring with the locant number 1. So 2 superscript 1, and this is one junction. So separated with colon, and then so now just to look at the second ring. On second ring, which is having the junction locant number 2, so should be given superscript 2. Okay, and should be separated with another junction with a comma. And after that, now just look at the third ring. And on third ring, which is connected with the second ring with the locant number as 1. Okay, so 3, 1. This is the way of numbering. Okay, and after giving that, how many identical cyclopropane rings are there? 3. That's why ter. Okay, so a cyclopropane. So this is the way of giving IUPAC nomenclature for the given ring assemble. So this is one method, but this is not given in the option. The answer is given with another way. Okay, so just wait for it, how to give it. So as we said in the first method, we are selecting parent cyclic systems with 1, 2, 3 like that. Now there is no need to give numbering on the parent hydrides, cyclic hydrides here. So simply we should start numbering from the junction. Okay, so here 1, just start here 1, 2 and 3, and just to differentiate the numbers to avoid the confusion, and we are going to give prime, so 1 prime, 2 prime and 3 prime, and on third ring we should give 1 double prime, 2 double prime and 3 double prime. Okay, so after giving that, now just try to take the same way. Okay, so simply we are using primes. Okay, right, now we should give for the means priorities for the junctions here 1 comma, which is connected with the second one with the 1 prime. So this is one junction separated with, and we need to look at the second junction. Here on the second junction we have 2 prime comma and the third one with 1 double prime. So this is the way of giving locant numbering. And then how many rings are there? 3. So here tercyclopropane. Now just look at the options. So we have so tercyclopropane in option 3 and 4. Right? Now just come to the point of the second one. So we should select parent hydride because we have given the numberings as the first method. So I'm just starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so after giving numbering, consecutive numbering on the identical rings on ring assemble, so we should give, or we should start in giving locant numbering from the junction. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we should start from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just remember that when we look at the basic IUPAC rules, the substituents or the next junction should get lower locant. Okay, so that's why we should give numbering like this. So if you give numbering like this, the second junction should get 4. So higher locant number, which is wrong one. Okay, right. So we should follow this. And after that, now 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 1, here 2, 3 and 4. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now just give the junctions. So here on 1 we have 1 superscript 1 comma for the first junction. Here the second ring, which is having locant number on the junction carbon 1 superscript 1 comma 2 superscript 1. So this is one junction. Now just look at the second junction where 2 superscript 2 comma and 3 superscript 1. So this is second junction. Now just look at the third junction where 3, so here 3 superscript 2 comma 4 superscript 1. Okay, so this is third junction. And now just look at here fourth junction, here 4 superscript 2, right? So 4 superscript 2 comma 5 superscript 1. So now just look at the third one representing it. And here how many identical cyclobutane rings are there? 5. So we can give Twinkie cyclopentane. So option 3 is the correct answer for the second structure, right? And so if you wish to get standard test series and standard online courses, visit chemmasters.online website and join the courses. And you can also get topic wise standard test series from that. So you can practice more standard model problems from it. So just visit and join. Thank you very much.